Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this FULLJA Wi-Fi and Bluetooth mini projector. This is a mini projector with a really high 8500 lumen and high contrast and supporting 1080p. Of course, it's not native 1080p. I think native is 720, but we are going to find out. So really nice small one here with a lot of connectivity. We have a lot of ports here, so it can be used on a lot of devices. We have even this tilting effect, and it comes with Wi-Fi, so a lot of very good things here, very interesting. Comes even with the remote control. Here we can see also some of the playing formats which it's supporting, and you can see that's a lot. So let's open the box and see what we get. And of course, I'm not only showing you what you get, I'm also going to hook it up and then play something for you so you can see how good the quality really is. And so this is what we get. By the way, the model type is J-MP-17W, and it comes with this nice small instruction manual which describes everything, how to hook it up and even how to use with Wi-Fi. Here we have the power cable, which means we don't have to deal with an external power adapter. We can directly hook it up here. That's really nice. Then we have this AV cable, which we can use on a lot of devices. I think that even works on the PlayStation 4 and 5 and all these things. And then we have a full-size HDMI cable, which we can also use on a lot of different devices, and comes even with this remote control. And the projector itself is really nice, super beautiful. I would say this is the most modern looking projector I've ever seen so far. Here we have it underneath, 4 soft rubber feet, very nice. Then we have this tilting screw, and so of course this can be very helpful to adjust the projector a little bit up, so you don't have to use books or so, you can use it directly from here. What's also very important, that we have infrared receivers from the front and from the back. Not all the projectors have this. This is very important because you never know if you're sitting in the back or in the front of a projector. And then we have this nice cover here to protect this very nice lens. And so here we can adjust the focus a little bit. And here we have even some keystone correction. Of course, it's only a vertical keystone correction and not a horizontal correction, but this is what most people really need. And here on the side you can see all these very nice ports which you can use to hook up almost everything, like your gaming consoles, USB stick, or even your PC, or use an USB stick to play directly from here, or use your TF card from your camera. And here we have even an AV connection and headphone jack. And also very important, a standard tripod mount here. So we are here inside, and even though it's not super dark, we can see the picture very nice and clear. And with this wheel here we can focus it very nicely, as you can see. Very good quality, very good sharpness, especially here in the center. And with the keystone correction we can move it up depending on your needs. So I think we have it now pretty straight. So you can see also what we have built in here. Really nice thing. We have the media control, we have the wireless source, we have all the settings here, a lot of things. We have even the Bluetooth wireless connection, which I've already set up, and all the different pictures mode and audio modes. And we have the Miracast, which I'm going to show you later, and the AirPlay. And so I've plugged in here this USB stick already. We go to media, go to movie, and then select the USB stick and pick one video. I have here a 1080p native video. You can see it starts playing automatically. We see all the information which we need, and of course we can also play it full size here. And as you can see, the quality is really good. It's super smooth playing, but we have also the full control. We can go back or fast forward or whatever we want to do, or go back to normal play. And you can also hear the audio. Audio is also very good here, directly from the speaker here, built in. Really nice playing here, really good video quality. And then we can connect it to our phone with the Miracast. We get even some good information directly on the screen how to do that. So we go to cast and we are looking for this device. That's of course this one here. We click on that, and as you can see, it's already connected. Took just a couple of seconds, no big deal, very easy to use. And so we can click on this video here, but now it's streaming from the phone. Of course we can make it full screen. So I hope you can see that now it's streaming directly from my mobile phone here to this projector. Absolutely awesome, very easy to use, almost no setup needed. And especially when we are going a little bit closer here to the screen, we can see that it is a really nice quality projector. Absolutely awesome, makes a lot of fun, would be really nice also for gaming and almost all other stuff. So I can give you full recommendation, and so I'll put a link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.